Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Today's video, I'm sharing how I prepare this delicious white soup, popularly known as nsala with chicken. Nsala is simple to prepare, okay? And now let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using hard chicken. To begin, I poured in the already washed chicken into a clean pot. Now season with some nsala spices. Add some habanero pepper, add to your taste. Season cubes. Add some salt to taste. Stir. Add in your already washed stockfish. Stir, cover the pot and let it cook until it produces its own juice. After some minutes now, open the pot, stir, now top it up with some water. So next, add in the yam, properly washed, peel and cut. Once done, give it a stir, cover the pot and let it cook until the yam is well cooked and soft. Now let's check on the pot after some minutes. As you can see on the screen, the yam is properly cooked. Now go ahead and scoop it out, then pound to a smooth paste with a mortar or blender. This serves as thickener to the soup. Or you can as well use achi, ofo or ede known as cocoyam. The choice is yours. Now I added in my ogiri, known as fermented locust beans. Go ahead and add in some grounded crayfish, okay? Scoop in the blended yam bit by bit. The quantity added depends on how thick, light you want the soup. Here I did not use all the blended yam, okay? Next, I added some uziza powder to it. Go ahead and cover the pot and cook until the paste is completely dissolved. Next, let's check on the pot. Now looking at the screen, you will see that the paste is well dissolved now. You can as well add more paste if you want it more thick. But to me, the consistency is perfect. Now I added in the grilled catfish, grilled mackerel fish, stir. I added all the fish now because they are soft and I don't want them to scatter much in the pot, okay? You can as well add yours when you are adding the blended yam. The choice is yours. Now I went ahead and top it up with some utazi leaf. You can as well use uziza leaf, okay? Go ahead and cover the pot and let it cook for another 1 minute, okay? 1 minute later, our nsala soup with chicken is ready. Now go ahead and turn up the heat. It is ready to be served. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. I enjoyed my nsala with pounded yam. It is my favorite. Tasted so super delicious and yummy-licious. Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remember blessed. Bye.